Timing was fast.
Rhino, what are you doing on the bed? CJ. Rhino. Cause Rhino's on bed, licking all over you. You can't feel him.
I'm exhausted. Rhino, get out.
Hey, what you doing up there, boy? You acting like a baby.
Guys, this is the first gift I received at Vidcon this year, and it came straight from my partnership, Broadband TV. So shouts out to Broadband TV. I love you guys. You always coming through with something clutch. So let's see what's inside the bag. Guys, I opened the bag, and to my surprise, it was a lot of goodies in there. Things that I had no idea would be in there. For one, I got my own personalized autograph cards. All I gotta do is sign right there. So I'm gonna leave royalty some space, maybe even the kids. But I got a lot, bro. It's a thick book. So if you are here at VidCon, man, be sure to ask me for one of these. We got some Broadband TV canteens. What this does is actually keep your water cold or hot, whichever one you prefer. That's what that does. So I guess me and royalty got us one. This, it's like a personalized, yeah, it's tight though. I don't know what it is or what it's for, but I will be keeping this. It got my name on it and it's engraved, so it's definitely official. Shouts out to them for that, really cool. But guys, what I'm most excited about is these personalized socks right here. I ain't even know that I had CJ So Cool socks, and I'm CJ So Cool. Yeah, so with that being said, guys, if you think these are tight, spam W in the comment section real quick and drop a like on the video, because when I open the bag, I swear to you, I did not expect to see those socks. These little pink wristband things, all they do is get us into the VIP lounge. So me, the kids, and royalty, we're gonna be up in there getting drinks at the bar. And last but not least is a candle. It smells very nice. Thanks to Alexandra for that. Shouts out to the whole Broadband TV family. They always make sure we have a good time. And this time, they did not fail. Cannot wait to sign these cards, bro. I think I'm looking fresh for VidCon, yeah? Where your shoes?
I need to use some water.
You laying down in your clothes. I'm asleep. You gonna be wrinkled.
But look, the water's drunk up.
Okay, we have more water. Hey, y'all should put your shoes on. Yeah, guys, put your shoes on.
Yay, what we doing? These your shoes?
No, come on, really? Even royalty's ready, looking sexy.
These shoes.
Yeah.
These shoes, Daddy.
Yeah, Carnation, Powerpuff Head.
What size is those?
Everybody find their right shoes. Wow, Jalea got some polo all over shorts. Look at those. I remember I used to wear shorts like that.
Me too, Daddy. This is boy
Eee.
What size are those?
Oh, you got them too? And come on.
Yeah.
Swat. Swat. Wait, what about Rhino? I gotta put your outfit on. Hold on. Super Dog, what you doing under there? Come on, man. I told y'all, every time Rhino put on clothes, he started getting the attitude. Look, I wish you knew how good you look right now, okay? Seriously, everybody in the comment section right now, comment, Rhino, you look so good. Don't act like that. Come on, Rhino, don't act like that. Come on. Finally, Superman came out to play and save the day. What you doing? Oh, she over there playing with her grip. I like y'all shoes.
Thank you, guys.
Let me see. Ooh, icy bottoms too? Sweat. Rhino, let me see your bottoms.
Some glitter spray?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't know glitter spray. I said that wrong. Okay, let me back up.
Know some young niggas like to sweat. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shawty brave. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, I can't
Rhino. Come on, man. You just peed in our bathroom on the towel, so I know you ain't got to pee. Come on. This ain't a sniffing contest, boy. You gonna get us left by all the fam. They ready, man. Vidcon ready. We ain't trying to miss this opportunity. We're walking. Come on, this way, guys. Cross the street. Guys, look at that, man. That's the swag family right there, if I ever seen one, man. Let me see some faces. No grill? Oh, man, Kamari got her grill in. Oh, Jalea lost her grill?
No, I forgot my grill.
Where?
At the house.
Puppies. Come on, Rhino. Come on, Superman.
They call like them.
No, you're not. Why would you get slimy? So it can mess your clothes?
No, this is a bag over here.
That's party, though.
Really? So it can get in their hair?
No, I said that's for this person.
Julia, take the picture of us. Fan love, guys. Thank you.
Wait, did they splash him yet?
No.
With this Nickelodeon Vidcon.
Hey!
On this? But it'll be easier on here, you know, because it'll last longer.
Baby, you gonna choke him. CJ, you choked him.
Oh, him?
Thanks, guys. He's so happy.
What's going on here? Rhino is jumping people. Alright, where's the slime? Right here?
That's a long line. You having fun, Leon? It's exciting, huh?
Kind of. It's a different breed. It's a mixed breed.
Rhino's getting a lot of love today. How's that boy? Hi. Yeah.
Thank you.
guys want to ride them?
I'm gonna ride the
Look behind you, baby. CJ.
Oh.
Hey, hello. Say hi. Should I catch them? Carry them? You're right. We'll send it to your email. We'll try. Sorry. You with them, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Perfect.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You like this, Nation? Be careful. There's somebody in there. Nation, look at that one. Nation, look at that one. Oh my gosh, Julia, stop.
Remember one of them?
Rhino. Rhino is like, what is this?
Daddy, this time he eats his own boogers.
Boogers?
Yep.
But you eat boogers.
No.
Let's see what's over there.
Okay, guys, come on.
Animal Jam.
We got some. Oh, you got some? Yeah, they gave them some. Thank you. Come on, guys. Carnation. Come on, I already got you on video. Rhino's getting love everywhere he goes. I love you.
Daddy, next one. Daddy. Next, can we go to the pet?
Live Rays in the house.
That's us. That's who I know. I'm about to go over there. Let me Snapchat that. Guys, that Vidcon walked over to the library section. Guess who on TV? Me. They're playing. I paid $140 for one device. Hey, so I got Snapchat. For library? Yeah. I don't even think that I have. I
you're able to, instead of a little bit more, you have live there right there, or you keep me a game, or do a challenge like the giveaway, just, various things. That's dope, man. And then,
You can't, baby.
I'm just playing.
Why are you writing your dad's name? Why can't you write your name?
I'll write mine.
Unitas, Kamari, Carnation, you gonna write your name? There you go, Nation. Good girl. Did you type Rhino's name?
Oh man.
Damn it.
You don't even know how to spell right now. Nothing happened. There's no more room.
He scuffed my shoe.
I read it. I see.
Got it, Nation?
Yeah. Look. I read
There you go. Good job. Good job, everybody.
Okay. Let's take that picture.
CJ, how many followers do you have, and what is your channel about? Tell us a little bit about your video.
My YouTube name is CJ So Cool. We have 2.5 million subscribers. As you see, we have our family here. We have a family channel where we do pranks, vlogs.
Sorry, Nation. Sure. CJ's gonna be on CNN. I think all this is just food trucks, baby. Oh, look, they got brisket, macaroni and cheese.
Top champion.
Wow, they have chopped champions out
You guys should come in. We have tattoos. You can win free prizes as well. Yay! Hey, mommy.
Guys, look at me. Nation loves Minions, guys. You love the Minions, Nation?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna win the free prize.
What do they do here?
We're not just giving stickers away, but they have tattoos here. Right here you can play, and you can win any of these prizes over here.
Come on, guys, let's walk around more. Come on.
Run.
my gosh, Kamari's so excited they get to keep it. You excited? Where's your grill at?
My grill's in my mouth.
Where's your grill? So what do they do? Add glitter?
Yeah.
As much as they want?
We have to make it last, so, you know.
Don't steal mine. Papa!
Here, Julia, put some glitter in it. Is that good enough?
Hey, Mom, can I get the gold one? The gold glitter?
The green one.
Okay, let me know when you're
No,
ready.
the gold.
So what do they do?
So once you're done, I'm gonna add this into it and then it'll mix it up.
Okay. You guys stir it up so that she can pour the stuff in.
Come on, let's do it.
Okay, now mix it up like scrambled eggs. Really, really hard. Yeah, really, really fast. You ready?
Yeah, she's ready.
Ready?
Nation keeps stirring it. Leon's making it slime. They've been wanting to do this for the longest time. I caught these two in the bathroom trying to make it with toothpaste. They messed up my whole bathroom. And baby powder.
Okay, well, I'll tell you how to make it. It's blue, water, baking soda, and like yeah.
They should keep stirring it.
We can have it too, Daddy.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna make it.
Okay, no more, Julia. That's all.
They look too excited to be doing this.
You know how long they've been wanting slime for?
No.
You guys put it in your jar. Put it in your jar. Yeah, put it in your hand and put it in your jar. Put it in your jar, Nation, so you can take it home. So cute. They gave us little jars. Thank you. Yucky. Got it, Leon?
A lot of candy today, man.
You guys got it? No, Nate, you guys got your slime?
Yeah!
Kamari is so happy. She's been wanting slime for the longest. Julia got her slime. Leonidas got his slime. Good job, guys. All right, guys, let's go.
Ooh, welcome to Vidcon 2017 Nickelodeon Arcade here at Vidcon. Stop on by if you're walking around. See the big Nickelodeon sign. Come say hello to us.
Right now, see. Right now.
Guys, look at me again.
I think it's gonna do it earlier. All right, now go boo boo.
Hey, we gotta go down. Now, Mommy, there's a bunch of people at the food court.
Come on, guys.
It looks like we were climbing down.
Oh, my boy Jinx right there, man. Out here looking bloody. I see you, man.
Oh, Chris.
Hey, we brought them.
Oh, Chris.
Hey, if we wore them today, that would have been crazy. If we all wore them. She excited?
I know.
Watch out, Royalty.
I should have won.
Yeah, let's go to this place though. Hyatt is far down. That's we down there.
See, this is steakhouse down there.
Yeah, we by a different steakhouse. We by Roof Chris.
It's like far though.
Far. Guys, this is our first time getting in a taxi. Oh yeah, I have to get in the front. True. Look at this, man. Big yellow van thingy. It's crazy. It's lit. We don't Uber, we taxi.
Why would you put your grill in the garbage?
Knocking his.
So you put it in a napkin when you was eating it and then just picked it up and
That's what we do.
That's horrible. What do you mean that's what you do? If
That's
you know how you stop that from happening? When you eating, put it in a napkin, put it in your pocket.
I do that. No, you don't put it in a napkin.
We finally found it, Broadband TV. Let's go. Let's see what it looks like in here. Is it cool or whack? Oh, it's cool. Ooh. Ooh. We gotta take pictures right there. This place is cool. It's really small though. There I am right there. Looking cool. They should have made my picture in color. I told you guys I was with the NBA, man. Y'all didn't think I was? I tried to tell you. Hey, I didn't know these guys was with them too. I met them at SneakerCon. This guy and this guy. And I think this guy too. I think I met all these guys at SneakerCon.
Picture of you next. What is this called?
4 rows.
4 rows?
They should be one twice.
Got it? No. Get those.
Where's the glasses at?
The glasses.
Let me see you with the glasses. Ooh. Guys, Nation messed up her swag at lunch. Got macaroni and cheese all over.
Who wants to be on my team now? Me. Mommy.
She's so outside on you.
Dang, they even got a massage station.
She's straight up.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Mommy. Guys, look at the better sweater.
Go to her team one more time. She can help you. Okay? Gotta help you. One more time, and then you have to switch things.
What for you guys?
You can help Nation too.
Come on, who's going first? Okay, let's go. I thought this was called Connect the Dots. Or Connect 4 or something like that. Wow, Julia. Come on, Leon, guys, do it right. Don't break their stuff.
Don't fine. Nation. Go, Nation. Go, Nation. No, my turn. We got our turn. Oh, it's not tonight. Oh, no. No, it's not. Mommy.
Nation, are you sticking your tongue at me?
Is it my turn? Yeah.
Where mama there? Oh, there she goes. Oh, you mama got you.
I like this, bro. You got the
Where the grills? Y'all watch that everything. Y'all didn't show them. I ain't show them.
You got grills too? I gotta see that now. I gotta see that. Yeah, she got the grill.
Leon, show him your grill.
Okay. Killing the game. DJ, you gotta give me the grill.
I got you. I really want to look at the grill. Just so y'all can see it on me. I got
Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, chains on skateboard P. Bling blow, ooh, chains on skateboard P. Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow.